When I take walks around my community and talk to people or go down to the beach or go out to dinner with people, one thing that really surprises me is that so many people are unaware that the definition of money is about to change over the next couple of years, and really over the next 3 months. 2025 is going to be a massive change in payment systems, the Federal Reserve, and how banks work, how you're going to wire transfer money. It's going to be crazy. And then you have platforms like X.com with their X payment. And nobody knows what's going to be added to that, but whatever it is, between that and other companies like PayPal and Stripe and other companies getting into crypto payments, it's only going to make your mobile security that much more important, and people are just not paying attention to it. Of course, if you're into Bitcoin and XRP and others, then you're most likely aware of this. But your mobile phone and your mobile service is going to become more and more important over time, and you do not want to get SIM swapped. And a SIM swap is when somebody moves your mobile account from pointing to your phone over to a hacker's phone. They use that to reset passwords. And as crypto rises and these payment systems get integrated with crypto, hackers are going to be going after all of us. So pay attention, get educated on the different type of solutions like cold storage, like secure phones, like Afani and the secure mobile service and others, and make sure that you take every precaution to protect your identity, your assets, your family, because you want to be able to pass on everything that you've invested to somebody else. And as things get digitized and tokenized, it's going to open things up even more for hackers. And so this is a priority for anyone, especially if you're in crypto.